Today is August 25th, 2023, and we're going to have a trip to US. Right now we're at the border at Niagara Falls. So we're passing the border and we're heading to Ithaca, USA to visit Cornell University. After 4 hours drive, we decided to have a quick lunch before we're heading Cornell University. And now, welcome to the Cornell University. Cornell University is ranked number 17 out of 443 national universities according to US News Best Colleges. According to top universities, Cornell University is ranked number 13 in QS World University Ranking 2024. Such a lucky number. Did you know that Cornell University was almost located in Syracuse? Politician Andrew Dixon lobbied for the university to build on the hill in Syracuse because it was the city's transportation hub. But Ezra Cornell had a bad experience at Syracuse. As a teenager, he was robbed of his wages. So instead of building the school in Syracuse, depicted above, Ezra chose his hometown of Ithaca, New York. Welcome to Ithaca downtown.